Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best Karambit. Here are the top 3 Karambit that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Brous Blades the Enforcer Knife. This Karambit has a wraparound style handle that enables forward and reverse gripping conveniently. Its D2 blade comes with a Brous bearing system that offers smooth blade deployment. The 1-inch finger hole works well with all hand sizes. Its handle is made of stainless steel that ensures durability and prolonged usage. The skeletonized liners reduce weight, but it does not affect the strength of the Karambit. At number 2. Fox Wave Folding Karambit 599. It is a superior quality knife with patented Emerson wave technology that makes the blade's deployment quick. The tiger claw-shaped blade has a Teflon coating that retains its edges and the sharpness of the tip. Its blade measures 2.25 inches. Overall, it measures approximately 4.75 inches folded and 7 inches when fully extended. The adjustable pocket clip on the Karambit makes it an ambidextrous unit. The blades can be loosened or tightened according to the need using a Torx 8 screwdriver. At number 1. CRKT Provoke Kinematic Karambit. This Karambit possesses a unique feature that deploys the blade with a single thumb push. It consists of a high-quality D2 blade that ensures excellent edge retention. The handle of this Karambit is made from aluminum, which makes it lightweight and durable for an extended period. Holding this Karambit requires 4 fingers that ensure a secure grip each time. A discreet lock lever secures the blades of the Karambit at the base of the tool. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.